Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Toyota Highlander hood. Pull the hood release lever under the dash on the driver's side, then walk to the front. Find the secondary safety latch at the grille center and push or lift it while raising the hood. Use the prop rod by seating it in the slot or let the struts hold the hood. Confirm the hood is stable before you start any work. Before you open the hood, set the parking brake and engage park, then ensure the engine is cool to avoid burns. Check around the front for debris or damage that could block the latch. If the release lever feels stuck, wiggle it gently while an assistant presses down on the hood. Apply light penetrating spray if corroded and try again later. Always wear gloves and eye protection when working near the engine bay. Quick recommendation: if this guide is helping, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: a book, The Simple Path to Wealth, can change how you think about money and simplify financial decisions. It's a thoughtful read to pair with learning practical car maintenance and budgeting for repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. After lifting the hood, secure it with the prop rod by locking it into the hood slot, ensuring it sits firmly. If your Highlander has struts, verify both are holding the hood before reaching inside. Perform needed checks or maintenance, keeping hands clear of fans and belts. To close, lower the hood to about 1 foot above the latch and let it drop to engage, then press down firmly to fully latch and check alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.